Ah, the Amalfi Coast. It's on every traveler's bucket list. The blue Mediterranean Sea with dramatic shorelines. Those famous pastel hillsides. The winding road leads from one amazing village to the next. Plenty of hairpin turns, with the Amalfi version of fast food on the other side. Roadside fruit and vegetable stands, all organic and locally grown. This road was built into the mountainside over 750 years ago.
These roads are very narrow with these big buses coming. Woo.
Look how beautiful.
I've always heard of the Amalfi Coast and wanted to come here, and it's even more beautiful than I ever imagined.
With so many photo ops, too good to pass up. The Hotel Pellegrino is a beautiful boutique hotel built into the hillside in Praiano, overlooking the sea.
Breakfast in Amalfi. Another beautiful view. Hold on. I know.
The marina in Amalfi was full of boats and the water was incredible. Everywhere you look is another great photo to be taken. The way everything is built right into the hillside is unreal. On my second day, the hotel owner Luigi gave us a lift to the beautiful seaside town of Positano, which was my favorite. I blew up my Instagram with all the photos.
Today I'm in Positano, and it is so beautiful. So we're gonna go look at the shops and get something to eat, and see the beach, have some drinks. Beautiful.
Hello. Hi.
Trying to find a good place to eat that's not too tourist, with a view. I should have brought my suit. Goodness gracious. I brought my bathing suit.
I watched the fishermen go out and then come back in with their catch.
I met Chez Black in Positano, and the owner is sitting right next to me, and he's a sweetheart.
He made me a very special heart-shaped pizza.
I love the heart. Margarita pizza with buffalo mozzarella. So good. Just stop in traffic to take pictures, like nothing.
The food was outrageous. Every meal just got better and better. Everything was so fresh and beautiful on the plate. I have never had seafood so incredible in my life. It's Italy, so of course the pasta was to die for. They know how to get down with the food in Italy, and they just keep bringing one incredible dish after another. This Amalfi tuna salad was one of the best things I had on my trip. That pistachio cake was so yummy. Their restaurant is on the rooftop and has an incredible view of the sea. The Hotel Pellegrino had some of the best food I've had on my entire trip. Their lasagna was the best I've ever had. Just don't tell my Sicilian grandma I said that. So today is my last day here in Praiano. I've been here for the last 5 days. I'm staying at a beautiful place called Hotel Pellegrino, and it is incredible. They go above and beyond to get you what you need to make you happy. The restaurant's not even open right now, and I got a beautiful glass of wine. They made me this beautiful pizza. Look at this. It's paradise, and look at this view. The website is right on the screen. If you come to the Amalfi Coast, there is no reason to stay somewhere else. Just look at my room. Look how beautiful these plates are. Luigi and his wife and their 2 kids run this place, and it is 5-star. The service, everything, they're incredible. First class all the way. It's really hard to find a resort with this quality with such a great kitchen. Trust me.
Cheers.
Safe travels.